is this Diane?
Yes, it is. It finally worked.
Hi, Diane.
I'm sorry. I don't know what the thing is. I mean, I got a new phone the other day.
Things happen.
Yeah, and it's been doing some crazy stuff, so I need a manual.
I totally get it, Diane. Wait, hey, I'm calling because you entered our Quilt Forever giveaway, and as you know, we give away a gift basket that's full of quilt goodies, you know, to one lucky winner each month, leading up to the grand prize drawing.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm happy to tell you that you didn't win one because you won the Millie.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh my God. I can't believe it.
You're right.
I can't believe it. Oh my God. Okay.
Are you surprised?
I am very surprised. Oh my God. I thought I was going to get the gift basket or... Oh my God.
Nope, you won a Millie worth $19,700 from APQS, Diane.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. What do I need to do? Where do I go? What do I have to do?
Well, first you got to come down from Cloud 9 because I'm sure it's exciting news for you.
Oh my God.
I was nervous. I was trying you all weekend and finally was able to make contact, so it's super to give you the great news.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Thank you for trying over and over and over again.
You're very welcome, hon. Well, here's what will happen next, honey. One of our dealers, our people from APQS will get a hold of you. You've got our 800 number now in your new phone, so hopefully that call will get to go through, and we'll work with you to set up arrangements of getting Millie into your home. What are you going to do with it?
I'm going to use her. I'm going to use her. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I won it. I just can't believe I won it. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay.
That's
so
great news.
They'll call me and we'll set something up and they'll come.
You got it. We'll get her all set up, and I hope that it's a wonderful thing that's coming to you for Christmas. Probably won't get there under the tree now. You know how things are going these days, but we'll get it to you soon.
That's okay. I moved recently and I don't even have a tree up. So.
Well, that's all right.
Keep looking. Thank you so much, Dawn. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Diane.
Thank you.
We'll be back in touch with you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Well, as you can tell, it was tough getting hold of Diane, but it was worth the wait. Congratulations on your brand new APQS Millie. Be sure to enter our contest next time because, you know, we might be calling you.